Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace spark plugs on a Chevy Traverse Easy Guide. Start by parking on a level surface and letting the engine cool fully. Open the hood and remove the engine cover if present, then disconnect the negative battery terminal. Locate ignition coils, remove electrical connectors, and unbolt coils carefully to expose spark plugs. Keep parts organized and use gentle, steady force when extracting old plugs to avoid thread damage. Begin removing spark plugs one at a time to prevent mix-ups. Unplug the coil connector, remove the coil mounting bolt, and gently pull the coil straight up. Use a spark plug socket with an extension to reach the plug and turn counterclockwise until it comes free. Inspect the plug gap and electrode wear on the removed plug to confirm replacement necessity. Keep removed parts in order to make reinstallation straightforward and error-free. Install new spark plugs one at a time after verifying the gap and adding a light anti-seize on threads. Hand thread each plug to avoid cross-threading, then use a torque wrench to tighten to spec for a secure seal. Reinstall ignition coils with fresh coil boots if needed, reconnect electrical connectors, and reconnect the battery last. Start the engine and listen for smooth idle and no misfires, confirming a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.